Welcome back to Food versus Disease, Episode 4, brought to you by Knowledge Your Health.
Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many of our hearts, the connection between food and cancer.
We all know someone who has been touched by this disease, and the truth is, it's a complex issue with no easy answers.
But what we eat can play a significant role in both reducing our risk and supporting our bodies during treatment.
Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the science behind food's impact on cancer, debunk some common myths,
and empower you with practical tips for making healthier choices. Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com for more.
Before we talk about specific foods, let's take a step back and understand what cancer really is. In the simplest terms, cancer is a disease where cells grow out of control, invading nearby tissues and potentially spreading throughout the body. This uncontrolled growth can be triggered by a variety of factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental exposures. While some risk factors, like our family history, are beyond our control, others, like our diet, are areas where we can make a real difference. Think of your body as a complex machine. Every single day, your cells are working hard, dividing, repairing, and fighting off invaders. To function at their best, they need the right fuel. And that's where your diet comes in. Just like a car can't run on empty, our bodies can't thrive on processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These dietary choices create an environment of inflammation in the body, which can damage cells and increase the risk of cancer development. On the flip side, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our cells need to function optimally and protect themselves from damage. Antioxidants, in particular, are like little warriors that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to cancer development. And it's not just about what we eat, but also what we don't eat.
Certain foods, like processed meats, have been linked to an increased risk of cancer.
We'll delve deeper into these foods to avoid in the next chapter.
Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how cancer develops and the role that our diet plays, we can make informed choices to reduce our risk and support our overall health. We're all bombarded with information about what we should be eating, but it's equally important to be aware of the foods that can work against our health. Let's start with processed meats. These meats often contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form cancer-causing compounds. The World Health Organization classifies processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen. Next on our list are sugary drinks. Think soda, sweetened juices, sports drinks, and sugary coffee concoctions. These drinks contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and blood sugar spikes. We also want to be mindful of refined grains. White bread, white rice, pastries, and most breakfast cereals fall into this category. Refined grains lead to blood sugar spikes and increased insulin levels. And let's not forget about alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer. It's all about moderation and balance.
Including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet can help protect against cancer.
Focus on foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients support your body's defenses and overall health.
By being mindful of our choices, we can significantly reduce our cancer risk and support our overall well-being. Now that we've covered some foods to limit, let's shift our focus to the foods that should take center stage in our fight against cancer. Get ready to load up your plate with these nutritional powerhouses.
First up, let's talk about the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables. These colorful gems are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day and try to include a variety of colors. Each color group represents a different set of phytonutrients, plant compounds with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties.
Next, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. This veggie family includes broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. They contain compounds called glucosinolates, which break down into substances that may help protect against cancer. Moving on to berries. These tiny but mighty fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors. Studies have shown that anthocyanins may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation.
Now, let's add some healthy fats to the mix. Don't let the word fat scare you. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. Olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. And of course, we can't forget about fiber. Fiber is like a superhero for our digestive system. It helps keep things moving along, preventing constipation and reducing the risk of colon cancer. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are all excellent sources of fiber.
Remember, building a healthy diet is like building a house. You need a strong foundation of nutrient-rich foods to support your overall health and well-being. By incorporating these cancer-fighting foods into your daily routine, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to thrive.
As a cancer survivor, I can personally attest to the power of a healthy diet. Incorporating these foods has made a significant difference in my recovery and overall well-being.
We've heard countless success stories from individuals who have embraced these dietary changes. Their journeys are a testament to the impact that nutrition can have in the fight against cancer.
We've talked about the science behind food and cancer, but sometimes hearing real-life stories can be incredibly inspiring and motivating.
So today, we're sharing the journeys of two incredible individuals who use the power of food to fight back against cancer.
Meet Emily, a vibrant young woman diagnosed with breast cancer in her early 40s.
While undergoing chemotherapy, Emily decided to completely overhaul her diet, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and eliminating sugar and processed meats.
She started each day with a green smoothie, packed with leafy greens, berries, and flax seeds, and incorporated plenty of cruciferous vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats into her meals.
Emily noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and overall well-being after making these dietary changes.
She truly believes that her healthy eating habits played a crucial role in supporting her body during treatment and aiding in her recovery.
Now let's meet Michael, a retired teacher who was diagnosed with prostate cancer.
Michael was always health conscious, but after his diagnosis, he became even more committed to nourishing his body with the right foods.
He researched extensively and discovered the potential benefits of a plant-based diet for fighting cancer.
He started incorporating more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains into his diet, and significantly reduced his intake of animal products.
Michael also started practicing mindful eating, paying attention to his hunger cues and eating slowly to savor his food.
He believes that this holistic approach to eating not only nourished his body, but also calmed his mind during a challenging time.
These stories are just a glimpse into the powerful connection between food and cancer.
While everyone's journey is unique, these individuals serve as a reminder that we have the power to make choices that support our health and well-being, even in the face of adversity.
You need to watch this if you struggle with obesity. In our next episode, we'll dive deep into how your diet can help combat obesity. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the basics of cancer to exploring the specific foods that can either fuel or fight this disease.
But remember, knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It won't get you very far.
It's time to take what you've learned and apply it to your own life.
Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet.
Swap out sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea.
Add an extra serving of vegetables to your dinner plate.
Choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible.
Remember, this isn't about deprivation or following a restrictive diet.
It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and support your overall well-being.
And don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen.
There are countless delicious and healthy recipes out there waiting to be discovered.
Get creative, have fun, and involve your family and friends in your journey towards healthier eating.
As we wrap up our discussion on food and cancer,
I want to leave you with a powerful message. You have more control over your health than you think.
By making informed choices about the foods you eat, you can significantly reduce your risk of cancer and support your body's natural defenses.
And remember, you're not alone in this journey.
We're here to support you every step of the way.
Visit our website for more information, recipes, and resources to help you make lasting changes.
thank you for joining us for this episode of Food versus Disease. We hope you found this information empowering and informative. Remember, knowledge is power, and by making informed choices about our diet, we can take control of our health and well-being. Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com for more health tips, delicious recipes, and inspiring success stories. We're constantly updating our content with the latest scientific research and practical advice to help you live your healthiest life. See you next time when we'll be tackling another important health topic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an episode. Until then, stay healthy and keep those plates colorful.